In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can add a payment method to your iPhone. If you do find this video useful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel with all notifications on for more videos like this. It really does help out the channel. Now, if you have a new card or a new payment option that you want to use, there's two easy ways that you can add it to your iPhone. The first method is through the App Store. So open up your App Store and then tap your profile icon up in the top right. Then tap your name and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. You may be prompted to enter in your password. Go ahead and do that. And from here, just go ahead and select Manage Payments and then press Add Payment Method. And you can choose which payment you would like, enter in your details, and you're all set. Now, the more popular way is by going into Settings and then searching Wallet, just like so, and selecting the Wallet and Apple Pay option here. And then what you're going to want to do is tap Add Card down at the very bottom, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this, where you can go ahead and choose debit or credit card. And it's going to show you all these prompts that you need to go ahead and follow, like holding your phone near a card, and it's going to automatically detect it. It may ask you to enter in a few more follow-up details, but after doing so, you've now added a new payment method to your iPhone. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.